Hey guys, Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Regard. So that's the guy who made Ride It and Secrets, those viral TikTok songs, sounding like this. So he has a really recognizable styles, consisting of Rhodes chords, a huge bass plug, an analog kinda sounding lead, and some recycled old R&B vocals. So those elements will be the main elements of our track. So let's get it started. So first we need an R&B vocal, like Regard did in Ride It by J. Sean 209. So for this video, let's use the most famous R&B vocal ever, Say My Name by Destiny's Child.
Say my name, say my name.
So first, let's find a key and BPM. F minor at 138 BPM it is. First, let's pitch it down a few semitones, just to avoid copyright issues. And fit it to the tempo. For the chords we'll be using this Rhodes plugin. Now let's make the chords. We're gonna start off with the word notes.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love. Say my name, say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you.
We turn them into full chords, sounding like this.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name.
Besides that, we layered it with this preset from the 20k pack, sounding like this.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game.
For the bass, let's start off with this preset from the pack. Now let's make the melody. Well, we're basing it off of the chords. Now let's add a rhythm to it.
Nice.
Now let's dive into the drums, starting with this big kick. Now let's add a claps to it. We're boosting a clap with a soft clipping tool inside a file, sounding like this. Now it's time to add this disco-ish hi-hat loop, sounding like this. Now let's add a crash and mix the drums. Now let's dive into the lead sound. We'll be using another preset from the 20k pack. Now let's make a melody. Again, basing it off the chords. Yeah, that's the melody. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more at the subscribe button. And now let's listen to the final result.
Baby, why the sudden change?